Gazebos are the perfect addition to your outdoor space, especially if you're looking to create a comfortable place for your friends and family to relax in. Whether you're using your gazebo to shelter from the wind, rain, or harsh sun, or you're having a casual snack in the shade while enjoying the pleasant weather, gazebos are a pretty and stylish refuge. They're also incredibly versatile in terms of usage. If you're in the market for a new gazebo, it's important to make sure you know exactly what you're looking for, otherwise you may very well end up with one that doesn't last you very long or one that doesn't really suit your needs. To help, we've compiled this list of some of the top reviewed metal gazebos of 2023 so you can make an informed decision. Let's take a look. Number 1. Melcom Metal Gazebo. The Melcom Metal Gazebo is the perfect addition to any garden, patio, or outdoor space. Thanks to its unique construction, this gazebo facilitates ventilation and cooling, while providing shelter from harsh elements like strong winds, rain, and snow. Its structure includes powder-coated triangular aluminum frames and pre-drilled poles that add to its overall stability and durability. The single roof slopes downwards and is made entirely of steel. This gazebo also features downward sloping gutters that allow rainwater and snow to slide down the slope and directly into the ground for timely and hassle-free drainage. This metal gazebo is also equipped with hooks and a double-track system for hanging lights, fans, and for attaching curtains and nettings for ventilation, privacy, and protection from the sun and bugs. All in all, this metal gazebo is our best overall choice thanks to its strong, long-lasting build and superior design. Number 2. Cozy Yard Metal Gazebo. The Cozy Yard Metal Gazebo isn't just beautiful to look at, it's also super strong and sturdy once installed. This metal gazebo comes with a rust-proof aluminum frame and a hard metal top, which provides more than adequate protection against the sun, wind, rain, and snow. The sturdy frame can withstand strong winds and stormy conditions. This gazebo is specifically designed for permanent setups because it can withstand year-round weather conditions with the utmost ease. It's also fitted with long-lasting polyester mosquito netting and steel railings on all four sides so you can draw the nettings when needed. The gazebo's double-track rail system allows you to add layers of material as needed. Plus, there's also a gutter system that drains water from the roof to the ground safely and conveniently. Number 3. Yolini Metal Gazebo. The Yolini Metal Gazebo features a double-layered polycarbonate roof that promotes ventilation, while also providing sufficient insulation from the rain and harmful UV rays. This gazebo comes with privacy curtains and mosquito netting. The curtains are great for blocking rain, snow, and sun, while the netting is made of a breathable and light fabric that will protect you from pesky bugs. The structure of the gazebo features a rust-resistant aluminum frame with a powder coating. The doorways feature a double-track design along with a fully enclosed zippered double-layer sidewall for protection against UV rays and for added privacy. To install the structure firmly into place, it comes with sturdy poles and stands that need to be reinforced carefully and securely for extra durability and stability. Number 4. Aromi Metal Gazebo. The Aromi Metal Gazebo is an aluminum hardtop structure that includes mosquito netting and a privacy curtain for added comfort. This polycarbonate metal gazebo is wind-resistant, UV-resistant, and its roof can withstand up to 2,500 pounds of snow, which makes it super weather-resistant. Its double-roof structure makes it well-ventilated, while the hardtop canopy provides firm stability from harsh winds. The curtains that come with the gazebo are made of a yarn-dyed fabric that can last up to 720 hours in the harshest of weather. The material is water-repellent, offers great thermal insulation, and is fade and UV-resistant to withstand sunny days. This metal gazebo consists of an aluminum frame covered with a powder coating, which adds to its overall stability and durability. It also features pre-drilled poles and stands for added stability and firmness. Inside the gazebo, you'll find roof hooks where you can attach fans and lights of your choice. Number 5. Purple Leaf Metal Gazebo. The Purple Leaf Metal Gazebo is great for those looking for a more modern touch to their outdoor area. This gazebo can withstand winds up to 40 miles per hour and can hold up to 2,200 pounds of snow. Apart from its super sturdy structure, an added bonus is the premium quality mosquito mesh and attached curtains that it comes with. These attachments provide you with added comfort, coziness, and privacy. While the roof itself allows for a bit of extra ventilation thanks to the double-top design, it's also UV-resistant. This metal gazebo can withstand high temperatures without heating up inside, so you can rest in the cool shade on hot summer days. Another exceptional feature is the gutter system, which allows water to flow to the edge of the frame and conveniently down the poles and into the ground.